Good afternoon. Today in this program we will talk about the prosperous city of Batumi in Georgia. This is a real pearl of the Caucasus. According to Forbes, an American financial and economic magazine, Batumi is one of the 10 most developing cities in the world. If you haven't been to this sunny city yet, then you can plan to spend your vacation in this city of love of the sun. Before making a decision, we suggest getting to know this amazing city in detail. A local video blogger from Batumi invites you to subscribe to his YouTube channel. He loves his city. He dedicated one of his channels to the city of Batumi. Let's listen to his invitation. Good afternoon. I am a video blogger from Batumi. I really like my city, so I dedicated one of my channels to this beautiful city. You can find a lot of useful information on my channel. You can take a walk. Along the streets of Old and New Batumi, you can find information about the best hotels and restaurants. You will find out where the cultural life takes place in this city, where you could go in your free time. You will also learn about rental prices and products, professional massages, and many other useful information. Videos on my channel will be added all the time. To keep up to date with the latest news, please subscribe to my channel. I will be. Thank you very much for your likes and comments. It will help promote my channel. See you on the channel.